Law enforcement or manufacturers can use the serial number to trace and recover stolen laptops. You will need the serial number when filing a police report or insurance claim. To check the serial number of your laptop using command prompt, follow these simple steps. Type CMD in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. Type the following command. WMIC stands for Windows Management Instrumentation Command Line, which acts as the tool to fetch hardware and system data. BIOS represents basic input and output system of your computer. It identifies the specific hardware components to query. Get tells WMIC to retrieve the value of a particular property. Serial number specifies the exact information you are looking for. It will display the serial number of your laptop. Serial number is the full name. This is the actual serial number of your device.